All right, here we go. McDowell Mountain rim to rim. Starting at the Tom's Thumb Trailhead, ending at Sunrise Peak. Let's hit it. Whole lot of up. Once we do this, we got a lot of downhill. Getting the hard stuff out of the way with right off the bat. All right, we made it up the steep part of Tom's Thumb. We're gonna hang a left in a little bit, head on down, and get towards Thompson Peak area. We're gonna pitch up to Sunrise Peak and be done. So we're hitting our first junction. From here, we're not really going to see a whole lot of people. We got to be real careful of snakes out here. It's going to be 80 degrees today, and this is the first really warm day in March, so there's going to be rattlesnakes. We're 2 for 2 on the last ones. The Jasper place, saw a rattlesnake there, and Thompson Peak on the 7th of March that we did, saw a rattlesnake there as well. So I'm thinking we'll see one today, but I don't know, you never know. We'll see. Definitely got to keep our eyes peeled though, and listen for the noises. If ever there was rattlesnake territory, this would be it right here. Haven't seen one yet, but man, this definitely looks like rattlesnake territory, don't you think? Great thing is, we're off the main trail. We're not going to see anyone for a little while now. So we got the mountains to ourselves. Do it again. Woo! Holy cow. That's a nice echo. Got some canyon echoes going on. Emergency marker. Do you have an emergency?
Yeah, I have to take a shit.
We're coming around the East End Trail, and what do we see? Thompson Peak right around the corner. We're not going up there today. We're actually going to be going on the Dixie Mine Trail below it. And there it is, Thompson Peak, Jeep Road, and we're going to be kind of over this hill. We're going down and around on that trail. We're going to dip down, take the Dixie Mine Trail up and over to Sunrise. So we got a ways. All right, we hit our junction, McDowell Mountain Regional Park. We're going this way. It's a cooler. Is there food? No, just kidding. I think this is where the trail maintenance people keep all their tools, right in here. Because we are a ways out, and packing trail maintenance equipment would kind of suck. So that's where they keep it. You see some really old ranch ruins from the early 1900s here. And it was kind of set up in this area. And there was a water source down here at one time. Well, I said there would be a rattlesnake. There's a rattlesnake. I almost didn't see this one. He gave me a couple ticks, and so I got pretty close. He ticked at me a few times and I was able to see him, but that's not a good situation when they're that close to the trail, because he could bite your ankle if you stepped right next to him. That was a bit of a close call. I was right about where that white rock was, and I stepped back. He's not trying to attack us. He just wants to get by on the trail and move on. So I'm going to stay here and let him cross. 3 for 3 on the rattlesnakes. What a beauty. Definitely glad I saw him. That wouldn't have been good. I'm not going to make him rattle or disturb him. I just want him to go on his way and be happy. Oh, what a pretty dude. See you, buddy. That's so crazy. So I'm 3 for 3. My last 3 hikes, I've seen a rattlesnake each time. And we still have quite a ways to go. And we're going to be in some pretty brush-strewn country in a little bit here. So that might not be the last rattlesnake on the day we see. I don't know. Oh yeah, here we go. Sonoran Trail. So we're off the Dixie Mine Trail, heading on the Sonoran Trail up and over. There's where we came from. The parking lot's like way over there on the other side of that mountain. Both link up to the same spot, the lower Sonoran and the regular, the upper Sonoran. So it's really up to you. I'm good with either. I've done both.
Yeah.
All right, let's go upper. All right, so we're gonna be losing all the elevation that we gained. We're gonna be dropping back down and then going back up, but we're getting a lot closer now. We're less than 5 miles away. Part of the wasp family. That's a velvet ant, and they're part of the wasp family, so they're not an ant, and they have a very, very potent sting. Isn't that neat? Hey, little buddy. Yeah, he's a cool one. Yeah, there you go. All right, I'll leave you alone. They have supposedly the 3rd most painful sting out of desert insects.
Let's test it out.
Yeah, let's test it out now. He's cool. Look at that. Another emergency helipad. I called you a chopper.
Oh man, I thought you called the first one. I didn't even think I'd make it to this one.
Go take a nap. You're done. I'm pulling your car. All right. Now we're getting closer to the Fountain Hills side, and the overcast is done. Sun's back, but we're making good time. All right, Promenade Trail, that's what we're taking. And this one's new, the Darrow Canyon Trailhead. They built it down here, but we're not gonna go on that one. All right, we hit the Western Loop Trail. We're gonna be heading up there and linking on with the Andrews Kinsey Trail. Second to last trail right here, Andrews Kinsey. It's gonna go all the way around, and we just have the Sunrise Trail. All right, Sunrise Trail is 2 miles, which means we're 4 miles from the finish. Sunrise Peak. All right, we got 2 miles ish and we're done.
Oh, good.
And it's all gonna be downhill once we round this corner. Sunrise Peak, right there. All right, we got 2 miles left. 2 miles, here we go, all downhill. Doesn't it not feel like this morning when we parked your car at the trailhead?
Not at all.
I know, it feels like it was another day just because we've been in the mountains all day. Woo! Little uphill.
Bit left.
It's got to get you one more time, right?
Final uphill.
That's right. All right. Final stretch. Yeah, I see your car.
Oh yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Feeling good and can't wait to eat some food. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! There it is.
Oh yeah, Brona, good job.
Good job, man. Woo! 21 miles rim to rim. That's a wrap. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. We're gonna go eat a lot of food right now because we're hungry.
Oh, yeah.